Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also discuss from the books of the MA level 2025 9.2 the sum number is 20. Already written the time will be set 20 and 21 two sums are there. So first sum is this is the sum of the three numbers is in AP is 30. Sum is 3 first three numbers and the ratio of the first term to the third term 3:7. Find the numbers, no problem. You know already when you take three numbers are in AP. So just you take middle term is A, before term is A minus D, and the next sum is A plus D. Because middle term, you take the middle term A and common difference D. Okay. Middle term is A, common difference is D. The previous sum just previous terms A minus D. This is A. The next sum is A plus D. This is already you know. Now, the sum of the three numbers in AP. So, you take by this question A minus D plus A plus A plus D. Don't be padding. Just open your brain. Okay. This is cut. So, 3A. 3A is equal to 30. You calculate A is equal to 30 by 3. So, this is 10. You get. Very easy. You get A is 10. Okay. Actually, in case of algebra, you also know if there are two equations or two forms when you solve the two unknown values. So one is unknown, you get it, and other is D. In which this is the other form. One form is that this is given the ratio of the first. Ratio of the first means A is to A minus D. Ratio of the first to the third A plus B. The ratio. What is the ratio? 3:7. Okay, no problem. From there, you just interrelation between A and D. No problem. So, in which A minus D by A plus D. This is 3 by 7. Just here, this is an algebraic solve. Okay, so this is 7 bracket A minus D. Very easy. This is 3A plus D. Just you solve it first. 7A minus 7D, that is equal to 3A plus 3D. No problem. Okay, so you just sit here. 7A minus 3A, that is equal to 3D plus 7D. No problem. So this is actually 4A. 4A is equal to 10D. 4A is equal to 10D. No problem. Now you put the value of A here. A is 10. That is equal to 10D. So that means actually 10D is equal to 4 into 10. So 10 is out. D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4. You take. So now this is very easy now. A you know, D you know, just you formulate. No problem at all. Very easy. The number, find the number are, this is A minus D, the first, this is the second, A plus D. You just put the value. A is 10, right? A is 10 minus D is 4, okay? And this is 10 plus 4. So what is the ultimate? This is 6, this is 10, this is 14. This is the ultimate answer. No problem. So what is the AP? AP is 6, 10 and 14. The first term, second term, third term. The common difference is 10 minus 6, 4. 14 minus 10 is 4. Also you check it. Clear? No problem? Very easy. তোমাদের যদি কনসেপ্টটা ক্লিয়ার থাকে and you know all the formula, the process, you do all this sum not only from the MA level, from other books also. The C.B.S.E book is the R.S. Ragwal, the R.D. Sharma. In case of I.C.S.E book, the Selina books also. These are just harder. So just you solve it if with the concept. I will also solve it in the next video, coming video. Okay. So this is the first sum. Now we solve the second sum. Okay. These are no problem at all, student. Okay. So these are just I rub it. I solve the next sum. Clear? Okay. No problem. No problem. Clear? Clear. Now next sum. The sum of the first three numbers. Same thing. Sum of the first three numbers. So this is A. This is A minus D. and this is A plus D. No problem. This is the middle term. This is A. The common difference is D. I just not written here. The middle term is A. So common difference is D. So A minus D is the first. This is second term. Now the sum of the first three numbers in AP 30. So by question A minus D plus A plus A plus D. Okay. Equal to 33. From there you calculate 3A. 33. So A is equal to just 33 by 3. This is 11. You get 11. A is a 11. Not to answer, but A is 11. A is 11. Now the product. The previous video I just discussed, the product. If the product of the first and the third term exceed, first the product you write. First the product. A minus D is the first term into A plus D is the third term. The product. If, very important thing, just think in your brain. If the product of the first and the third term exceed the second, exceed means this term, this the multiplication, the answer is greater than the second term, greater than the second term. If the product of the first and the third, এইখানটা কিন্তু ভালো করে বুঝতে হবে. The equation is formulated, equation is formed here. From there, এখানে যদি গন্ডগোল, in that case the mistake, the maths will be mistake. ভালো করে এই জায়গাটা বোঝো. This line is very much interesting and understanding. If the product of the first and third, okay, this is the first and third, exceed, that means this answer is exceed, এটা বেশি হবে. Exceed কাচ্ছে second term by 29. So for that reason, if you just equal to, so second term is A, তাহলে A plus 29, that is equal. এইখানটায় very important thing, this is a very important line. এইখানটা যদি, if there is a mistake, total sum is mistake. So for that reason, be careful. If the product of the first and the third, if the product of the first and the third exceed, that means these values exceed the second term. কত exceed? 29. Just you multiply and you equal A plus 29. So this is equal. The equation is formed. Now from there you calculate. Now this is A square. No problem. A square D square is, what is the value of A? A is 11. A is 11 plus 29. So that is actually 30, 40. What is the value of A? A is 11. 11 square minus D square, that is 40. Is clear? No problem. Just take it easy. No to be tension, don't to be tensed. Very interesting. Very interesting. So this is 11, 121, you know. This is minus 40. That is D square. No problem. Clear? So this is actually 81. This is 1 and 4 and 12. 81 is equal to D square. Now the same problem. Same thing is arise. D square is equal to 81. So D is equal to root over of 81. That means plus minus 9. Same previous problem. Previous video is already said. So the value of D actually both plus 9 and minus 9. Two values. If you take plus 9, the answer will be there. If you take minus 9, the answer will be different. So now you just form the AP. When you take here, take D plus 9. Then first is A. A is 11. Okay. A minus D. A is 11. So minus D. D is 9. Okay. And 11 plus 9. So what is this? This is 2, 11 and 20. When you take D is plus 9. When you take D is plus 9. When you take D is plus 9, then this middle, this is middle. So A is 11. No problem. A minus D. So A minus D. A is 11 and D is 9. But the formula is A minus D. So this ultimately minus the 11 minus 9, 2. And this A plus D. So D is plus. So this is 11 plus 9, 20. It's clear. Don't to be confused. I mean, just a short form দেখাচ্ছি. That means actually A minus D means কি? A minus D. A is 11 and minus of D is plus 9. So this is actually 11 minus 9. This is 2. Clear? Now when take d is minus 9. D is minus 9. Okay, clear? So first one A. A is 11 always. A minus D. A minus D. A is 11 minus. What is D? D you take minus 9. So that for that 11 my plus. This is minus minus plus. So this is 20. Just is reverse. Just is reverse. And this one A plus D. So this is A plus D. A is 11 plus or minus. D is take minus 9. So plus minus minus. So this is 2. So this is 2. Just is reverse. 2, 11, 20, 20, 11, 2. When you take the sign is reverse. Okay. Clear? 20, 11 and 2. This is 2, 11, 20. Just you take the sign is changed. The answer, the first answer this. The second answer is just reverse. Middle is okay. Just A. But A minus B, A plus B interchange. Okay. So this is a very interesting. So in this way, we just gradually increase the different types of video in case of AP and others. Okay. So if you just understand this, please share the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you for watching video. Okay. Thank you.